Good morning, sir. My topic is bus tracking system. Bus tracking system is very used in this time. Bus tracking system track the bus and location, find the location and location, bus number and driver and location and GPS track. Intelligent bus tracking system Android is an application that track what and collect the distance to each station. One station and second station is collect the distance is find to the bus tracking system, and the tracking system involve the installation of an electronic device is in a bus with an invalid Android app or any smartphones to enable a user to track the location. Any phone and any Android phones and location to any Android phone and location bus track GPS and bus used to the sensor and GPS and driver to Android phone and find the location, find the distance, find the fuel, find the fuel, find the passenger. There are two applications, one for server and other for the client. Two application used to the one for one for the server used to the server, and one for the application used to the client used to the client. How used to the client and bus number and enter, find the location and find the location and find the value. The user can get flexibility of planning. The user can get flexibility of the waiting time of the user can be reduced. The waiting time of the user can be reduced and find the can be reduced and reduce the time by the client and by the bus service. By using this application, user get the information about buses, bus number, bus route, bus arrival and bus DLA timing information etc. It provide information bus a device, a bus stop and the device and the master bus stand, so as to keep the track it will carry on the bus. By employing this tracking system, the arrival of the bus is detected more the bus stop and can be seen on the PC or the master bus stop. GSM modem can also transmit in bus information to the requested a mobile number, hence we can control the bus traffic and can detect the arrival particular for a instance value of the bus stop, find the correct instance of the bus stop. In bus tracking system, the transportation system server is the head in the chronic and social development used in the bus tracking system. The transportation system server the head in the economic and social development of the service in country. In today's world, transportation system is a very used and very vital role play into day-to life. Due to rapid increase in population, there is need for efficient public transportation system. Because of population is keep increase burden and public transmit it bus etc. Therefore, the smart system is necessary which provides in real time information of the remote user. So we proposed a new system which consumes the drawback of the public transportation system. So our system handle all the data about current location of bus and by using the data of real-time bus tracking system. Bus tracking system also mentioned in the bus tracking system in PPT, and also send us PPT an introduction and many problems for the client and use to the application and benefit for the client and very benefit of the client in find the location, find the passenger, find the distance, find the pole, find the driver name and find the bus number and any problem find to this app. App is find many very uses in this time application bus track system and car track system also used to the market in car track system and also used to the market in track system, also trains also and big application used to the train track system and aeroplane track system, and many users to the market in this application use a very useful and client very effective client for the very effective client for the very used this application. Development of bus tracking system, development of bus tracking Android application which will do those things. This real-time bus tracking system has functionality ETA, bus recommendation. The user should be able to see the real-time bus movement, and if the taps on the bus in the map, the bus should show it the route and destination, and the person who is in a bus should have a different and which he will output and source destination, and the user app will be a different app. The person of the bus and driver and will enter the bus number and throw the smartphones, but enter the bus number and throw the smartphones and find the location and find the destination for the station. After entering the bus number, now we will shown the map and which will seen the user, and by using a user app. Yes, we need a setting option for driver. Yes, we need a setting option of driver, so inside like and of the tracking system and update for the seat details. In Android application is a very bus tracking system is a very used in this live, and also PPT sender sir, and PPT is also mentioned in the step-by-step introduction, objective, problem statement, and introduction. Bus tracking application is an application for smartphones that work on Android operating system. This application uses the GPS function. This application at specific pickup point will send the current location of the bus to students when they request. This app generate a production of bus arrivals and stop along the route. This application uses a variety of technology to track in bus tracking application is for smartphones. And objective of the project. This objective of the project and use and purpose. The main goal of the purpose work is to improve the bus system by adding the necessary additional feature into the application like accurate by timing, correct bus number, and more. You are adding by a GPS tracker to it. This study accept input in the form of selection of the source and destination, and selection of the bus traveling, the distance of display the entire details about the routes bus and give map of the same. And the main objective of the project to find the distance and find the location and find the distance for one station to another station. And main objective of this Android app in bus tracking system. Many problem is to daily life this used in the Android operating system. In the daily operation of bus transport system, mainly that of bus, the movement of vehicle is affected by different uncertain conditions as the day progress, such as traffic congestion, unexpected DLA, irregular vehicle dispatching times, other incidents. Many students are late for classes because they decide to wait for the bus instead of just simply using alternate transportation. Many student classes are late because bus is late and bus is late, bus driver is ill, and many problems for the but use this application not a problem and not a wait in class students. Description of the describe of the project. Many cities have found the GPS tracking system not only improve the efficiency of city bus operation but also increase commuters to take the advantage of the city bus system. Many city bus system had discovered that GPS tracking system which allow the monitor the location and arrival time of their bus actually increase the number of people using city bus for routine commuting. The मतलब Berry cities used to the GPS tracking system. Berry cities used to the Berry cities used to the GPS tracking system, and GPS find the GPS and GPS track for the big city. GPS tracking for GPS tracking big city to big city. GPS tracking for the big city. Satellite GPS track for one satellite to the arrival and bus. Solution by our application focus on the providing them are convinced with bus schedule. Our application focus on the providing them more convinced with the schedule. It provide real-time bus location information so that they may not get DLA. Also, we have integrated Google Map in the application. Our application focus on the providing for the, and after that the use and mentioned on the PPT project model. This application only three used to the project module: location, map, and bus route information. Location will find the location bus their location is to arrival in this time, and map, and used to the map, and map also is to find the location and bus route information and for the find to the road. And when city is used to the bus route information and bus location and map. First module, information. This module depicts the process of selection bus number and presenting the current location of the bus. And first module of this application is used to depict the process of selection of bus and presenting the current location of the bus. Technology applied: GPS, global positioning system, and client server technology. GPS global positioning system, it is a technology where satellite to GPS to global positioning system होती है, where satellite and sound radio signals which GPS units and receiver used to the work their current location and find the current location. GPS work like in this: there are 24 working satellites circling the global at any given moment. A GPS navigator, a GPS tracker search from the transmission and signal from the latest 3 satellites. And after that the working client side working and server side working to the GPS tracking and for the satellite. And what client server working, clients will ask for the bus through his Android device. Request to the server is made automatically. Bus is equipped with GPS device. Through GPS it will find its location and deliver it to server. Server will handle the location and deliver it to the intended client. And after that to the client side enter the bus number and find the location and open the map. And second module is working on the map coding. Third module is the bus route information. The route of all bus are recorded the bus in charge of challenge. For this purpose we have used to the MySQL. Bus in charge will update all info recording information. Now open client request for the bus information. It will fetched from the database and delivered to client through. And module design, and after that to the architecture for the start and application start and GSM and GPS on for a mobile and the bus GPS on always. तो GSM waits the request and a valid information is valid as information is not valid, no, and return to the GSM wait the request, and after that enter the number and find the locations, and GPS on GSM get the throw and end user information from the user and client side send. Diagram, and after that the code for the map, for the location, and after that the code in map, and after those the code the in location and robust route information, and discussion for and future work this project in vehicle discussion. And thank you sir.